Okay, in the F panel the color combination will be this. First one will be reset SW. This reset SW will be first series. Then after that it will be HDD LED. In the back side the color combination is green white and then orange white. Okay, in every motherboard this will be the same, so I can show you how to do this. Okay, first put this color combination, reset SW, it will be here, reset SW will be placed here. After that the color combination will be this one, HDD LED. You put here like this. The name should be in outer surface. Okay, after that in the back side you will put this power SW. This power SW name should be like this. You have to put like this, put here. Okay, after that we have to put this power LED plus and power LED minus. You have to put like this, power LED plus first and then power LED minus. Okay, okay, now the combination is okay. You see reset SW, HDD LED, that means white blue, white red, then white green and then white yellow. Thanks. This will be the F panel color combination. Thank you.